Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our presentation of the Justaero Airline Operations Demonstrator. First of all, who is Justaero? Justaero is an IT consulting and implementation partner of Servicenow that has the mission to bring the power of Servicenow to the aviation and aerospace industry. It consists of the implementation experience of Opera Solutions International, and well-known partner of Servicenow, and a company with an extensive experience and a long history of successful implementations outside ITSM. And the consulting experience of a former executive officer of one of the world's largest airlines. Justaero has in-depth knowledge of aviation-specific processes and the experience to create innovative solutions to make our customers successful. We are a dedicated partner of Servicenow, which was named Most Innovative Company of the World by Forbes magazine last year. Servicenow is a fast-growing cloud company and with its innovative design will be one of the biggest players in the market for the years to come. The strength of Servicenow is its design as a low-code development platform, enabling customers to either use one of the high-quality standard modules or develop enterprise-grade custom applications in a very short time. All these modules and apps work seamlessly together on one platform. No interfaces, one great user experience. The Airline Operations Demonstrator was created using the Now platform and the process knowledge of experienced consultants.
Hello, I'm a duty manager for operations and baggage logistics at a major airline, and I was involved in the development of the Airline Operations Demonstrator as a consultant. Over the last 3 decades, I have worked for this major airline in several departments like check-in, ground handling, and in the Operation Control Center, and realized various projects with different teams. This way I gained experience, especially in solutions for aircraft handling, fueling and loading procedures, as well as disposition of gates and aircraft positions. I am looking forward to assist and advise you in your individual challenges.
The Airline Operations Demonstrator is based on the Servicenow platform using the Customer Service Management and Field Service Management extensions. These basic solutions are adapted and customized to represent typical use cases of airline operations processes. The Airline Operations application has 3 primary functions: managing assets like planes and ground vehicles, managing and dispatching field service technicians, and organizing information to optimize processes. These 3 main functions are supported by several secondary functions like automatic task assignment, calculation of fuel quantity, and providing checklists for ground handling processes. A new fueling process usually starts with the Now platform receiving information about movement data and estimated time of arrival to provide data for exact planning. When the plane arrives, the main process is automatically started. Field service technicians are assigned based on their current location, the expected position of the plane on the airport, and their individual skill. They can access this information on their mobile devices. Meanwhile, the application calculates fuel quantity and the expected binding time for the fueling process. After fueling, the airline is informed that the boarding can be started. This process can be extended to cover other airline operations process use cases like boarding, ramp agent management, and baggage handling. Additionally, the Airline Operations Demonstrator allows to manage various assets, like planes, ground vehicles, or technical equipment. It offers the possibility to track and process related information, including financial and technical data. The application also provides the functionality to auto-create cases. A new fueling case is created whenever a plane arrives at the airport. Several information is gathered to calculate relevant data, including minimum fuel, block fuel, estimated binding time, and more. After a fueling case has been completed, an invoice can be created, attached to the form, and in future releases automatically sent to the respective airline using the information from the case. This invoice can be easily customized to match your corporate layout with your own logo. The Airline Operations application extends the field service auto-assignment by using skills and airports. In future releases, a work time-based, location-based, and contract-based assignment will be added. The application also offers the possibility to collect and display data like percentage of delayed flights and their delay codes. For upcoming releases, we intend to implement the possibility to also track working hours, binding times, locations of ground vehicles, and driving routes. Planned future use cases contain separate defueling cases, unit control, handling of return to ramp cases, as well as timelines for fueling cases, interruption tracking for fueling processes, and different handling for scheduled and one-time flights. If you're interested in more information or want to further engage with our team, feel free to visit our website or contact us directly.